Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick one. It's basically just me seeing how fast I can blow this 50k combine. Nah, but for real, all I gotta say is I'm glad this is not happening on my funded accounts because I would be in mental anguish right now. So yesterday, I shorted directly against equal highs by accident and lost that invalid trade. And today, I long against a rejecting 3-minute fair value gap. Then, since I was so far into drawdown on my account, I decided to take one more trade on it because it's basically gone, not gonna lie. So I was looking for another trade and I missed a valid short. So then I just quit for the day because that one would have brought me back. So I was like, okay, I'm just done. Like literally, I should have been green yesterday if you guys watched yesterday's video, and I should have been green today, yet I'm red on both days. And it's just because of stupid mistakes. The strategy offered winning trades, but I took invalid trades instead. Not on purpose, but just because I'm missing these obvious things. And it sucks. I gotta remember that it's my fault and not the strategies, and I'm just ruining my live market stats, honestly, by making these dumb mistakes. But like I said, it would hurt a lot more if I was taking these stupid trades on my funded accounts. But anyways, let's just get into the trades from today. I'll show you guys. Okay, so as you just seen, this is the first trade and the only trade that I took today. We swept the 4-hour swing low. We had an IFEG over 4 points. We inversed that IFEG, that was the 5-minute. We had LRL and equal highs above as a drawn liquidity. So you would think, okay, valid trade. But no, I have a Google Doc that some people have asked me for, and I've sent it to them with like nuances and stuff. And one of those nuances is to not take a trade when a lower time frame for value gap is being respected. So there was a 3-minute that it almost broke through, but it didn't. It rejected off of it right here. So I should not have entered this trade, and I just didn't see it. So dumb mistake that could have been avoided. It's whatever. On to the next trade here. Okay, so this was at 9:54 during a macro time. This is the trade that PB Trades took, a few other people, a dodgy. My brother actually called this out, but I did not hear him. And he did actually have it drawn out on his chart. I didn't believe him. So I was like, what the heck? Because this is so valid. During a macro time, we were delivering from a 3-minute fair value gap. We inversed a 2-minute fair value gap, and the IFEG was over 4 points. It's not the most beautiful setup, but it's totally valid for my criteria. So I should have taken this setup, but I just did not see it. Break evens around 0.5 R there at that swing low here. And yeah, if I was just targeting 1-to-1, would have been a quick W. Unfortunate. On to the next trade. By the way, after that last one, I just quit for the day because I couldn't be bothered to try to take another one and then end up losing that one after seeing that winner. This was an almost valid trade at 10:36. I say almost valid because it had super liquidity delivered from a 4-hour fair value gap. We inversed the 3-minute fair value gap with LRL and equal highs above as a drawn liquidity. LRL right here and equal highs way up here. But we were waiting for the 3-minute to close above here, and literally 30 seconds before candle close, it just pumped straight up through all my LRL and stuff. So it was invalid trade. But if it had closed right here where it was hovering for 2.5 minutes, we would have got a beautiful trade, beautiful long. So yeah, next trade. Now this one here ran like crazy, and my friend was in this, but he got stopped at break even, just as I would have got stopped at a break even if I was in this trade. V-shaped recovery here, still bouncing out of a 4-hour. Inverse the 1-minute after sweeping liquidity, equal highs above is drawn liquidity up here. So could have taken this, but break even point was right here on this candle right here, and it just got tapped, and then it decided to go down, break even, and then it pumped up. And that just kind of sucks, but I wasn't in it anyway, so whatever. Final trade here. I actually just marked out this trade before hitting record. Okay, I don't know who's holding to 1-to-10 here, because this is 1-to-10. But I decided I'd draw it out because it's a valid trade. We swept liquidity, delivering out of this fair value gap here on the 1-minute. We inverse this 1-minute fair value gap with equal highs right here and equal highs way up here. So this is valid according to my trade criteria checklist sheet. Right at the end of lunch session, it looks like. But yeah, of course I wasn't trading. If you're super brave, you could have just held like half the position or a quarter of the position till 1-to-10. Would have been a nuts trade. But I mean, with my mental how it is, I'll probably never freaking catch a trade like this. It's cool. There's probably a trade right here too, IFEG here on a higher time frame. But yeah, that's it. Let's look at the journal. So as you can see, these two first trades were valid, and then I've taken 2 invalid losers here. So down $1,000 on the combine, which is whatever. It's like 50 US dollars, so it's not a big deal, especially after getting some money for Christmas, but certainly does not help me get to my goal faster. I am giving myself 3 months to pass this combine though. I should be happy about that because the last 2 combines I passed in under a month. So if it takes me a month or 2, it's okay. No big deal. Gotta be patient. And yeah, the rules calendar looks like trash now, but it's all we can do, I guess. So basically, next week on Monday, I'm either going to take one trade like normal, like I did today, or just full port this account and hope I can bring back to break even. Because I want to start working on 2 combines at a time, preferably both starting at break even at least. Anyways, I can't let these mistakes get to my head. I just got to get back to really locking in when I'm on the charts, making sure I'm noticing every little detail in the market that pertains to my strategy at least. So yeah, it'll be easier once my brother gets back on the charts with us in January, because we'll have more eyes to look for all the details in the setups. But anyways, guys, enjoy your weekend and wish me luck next week. My birthday is on Sunday, so that's pretty exciting. Thanks for watching, everybody.